there is a 5A, experiment 5A, and there is experiment 5B. Are
Okay.
we supposed to do the one on the lab and one of the three experiments, or we have to do it all of it?
Actually, you need to be like doing part A separate, part B separate, part C separate, and upload them separately.
Okay.
And the lab is open from 7 to 3 p.m. Anytime you can come in the lab and you can do it in the lab, right? The other way, the
Yes.
software is
Yes.
free. On the internet, the software is free. You get my point? The software is
Yes.
free on the internet.
Yes.
You download it
I
and
downloaded,
you
but
can perform at
yes.
home and you just submit, you know.
Uh,
So
Teacher,
whichever way you like, yes.
do we do it handwriting or
Wait.
we use the computer to make the
No,
report?
you need to fill our lab manual. Just fill the lab manual, draw the graph, submit.
How we submit the lab manual itself? We scan it.
Yes, itself, just fill it as you fill in the class, right? Draw
Okay.
the graph, submit. You get
Okay.
my point?
We don't have to
So
do objective or stuff like that. Or just
It
the
is
lab
only
manual.
all thing is already written there. Just put the cover sheet, fill the manual, put the graph. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And if you need any help, ask me when you are coming for the lab. I will explain again. No
Inshallah.
problem.
Inshallah,
Inshallah.
teacher. Thank you.
Yeah. Yalla, Shabab, let's start our last time. You guys remember all of a sudden the Blackboard stopped working. So before it, if for example somehow it again stops, we will start our class on Zoom. So until now it is working good. So everything is fine. But if somehow if it stops, then we will move to the Zoom. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start our lecture. Last time we stopped here, process control block diagram, and we just started it. So it has how many main blocks? It has one main block, that is controller. See, the controller is there, right? And then it has like uh, that is the controller. Then it has final control element. Then it has process. Then it has measurement, right? So all these blocks, they make it like as a process control block diagram. Now what is inside the controller? How we see the controller inside? Shabab, with me?
With you, teacher.
So you guys are seeing the board? Board is clear to you guys, Shabab?
Clear.
Yes,
Clear.
teacher.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay. The controller has two things in it. Shabab, one thing is the error detector, and other thing is error detector, and other thing is mathematical instructions. Mathematical instructions. One is what, Shabab? Error detector. And what is the other one? Mathematical instructions. Shabab, with
Yes.
me?
Yes, teacher. Yes.
Now, what is error detector? It takes PV. PV is what, Shabab?
Process variable.
Process
Process.
variable. It takes PV and it takes set point and subtract it. Find the error. PV minus SP or SP minus PV. Whichever is the case. So for example, if it is PV minus SP, it will be direct action. If it is SP minus PV, it will be reverse action. So depending upon direct or reverse, it take the error, right? The error signal it gives to a mathematical instructions. That's what we say algorithm. So these are the mathematical instructions. That's whatever we have asked the controller, it will do that. And this whole thing we say as controller. What is its name? Controller. This whole thing we say as controller. Shiva with me?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, yes, teacher, controller.
Yes, teacher.
This whole thing we say as controller. So once the controller is there, then what is the next thing we have? After the controller, we have final control element. What is final control element, Shabab? This thing, final control element. Remember this one?
Yes, teacher.
We discussed last week the valve, the final control element valve. So what was the final control element last week? Control valve. Like we make a valve like this. The final control element we used the last week, it was valve. Like this. Remember Shabab this one? The final control element we used last week, it was valve like this. This is the valve. Right, Shabab? So it can be valve, it can be a lot of other things are the final control elements. So the bottom line, before the controller is there, then final control element is there, then the third thing is the process. Shabab with me? The process is there. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Now this is like
Yes, teacher.
controller, final control element, process. From process we take this measurement. That is actually PV, process variable measurement, and it goes back to controller. So that's what we say feedback controller. What we say? Feedback controller. What we say, Shabab?
Feedback.
Feedback controller, right? So number one is the process here. Process. So we already know what is process. Process can consist of complex phenomenon which relates to some manufacturing process. With regard to our example, the tank, rooftop tank, the flow of liquid in and out, and the liquid constitutes a process. For example, what is the process at home? Temperature process. We control temperature in the classroom at home. Right, Shabab?
Right.
So what we control when we push the accelerator? When we push the accelerator of our car, Shabab, what we control?
Speed.
We control the flow of benzene. We control the flow of benzene. When we push the accelerator of our car, we control the flow of benzene. And the flow of benzene control the speed. Shabab with me?
Yes. Teacher,
Yes.
can you explain the controller? I don't
Controller,
understand.
I already explained. I can repeat it again. Controller has two things. What is there? See here. One is the error detector and the other one is algorithm, the mathematical instruction. So both of them combinedly known as controller. It is coming again. If we see here, it will come again. Error detector, controller, everything will come again. So we go step by step, no problem. Now see here, what is the measurement? What is the measurement, Shabab?
PV.
PV, process variable. Process variable is the measurement, so we need to measure the variable we want to control. Can we control temperature without measuring it? Is it possible to control the temperature without measuring it?
No.
No. So we need to measure first what is the present value of the temperature, then we can control it. Can we control the speed of the car without measuring it? No. So we need to know the current speed of the car to control it. So that's why we always have a sensor that measure the process variable. Right, Shabab? Then we have error detector. See the error detector. What is the duty of error detector? It takes the PV. What is PV, Shabab?
Process variable.
Process variable. It takes the set point and it find the difference of that. That's what we say error. So the set point is there, process variable is there, and then error signal will go to the this one controller, the instruction set. This whole thing we call as controller. Shabab with me? And
Again, teacher.
that's what we explain also on the board. So error detector controller has mainly two parts. One part is error detector, see here, and one part is the instruction set. That's what we say algorithm. And output of the controller is what? Manipulated variable. Manipulated mean calculated variable. That's what we say here. Output is M. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. Yes, Shabab. Any brother has any question? Okay, that's good. The brother are writing that they are martial understanding. Okay, now see here, Shabab. Feedback final control element. The element receives the signal from the controller, which will then perform a proportional operation to bring the controlled variable to the desired value. So PV will become near to the set point. What is desired value, Shabab? Desired value is set point. Shabab with me? Desired value
Yes,
is what,
teacher.
Shabab? Set point.
Set
And
point.
what is control variable? That we want to control, PV. So the final control element can be a valve, control valve, can be a solvent valve, can be a pump, lot of other equipment that help the controller to bring control variable equal to or near to desired value, that is set point. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? Shabab with me? Yes. One brother is writing, he has the question. Yes, brother. Any brother has the question, please ask. Yes, Shabab. Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher, with you.
Okay. So if you have, Shabab, any question, please ask. Okay, now, how many types of controls we have in general? Yes, Shabab, how many types of controls we have in general?
Two.
Two types.
Four types.
Automatic and manual. Here, Shabab, this is the heat exchanger. Is this clear? This is the heat exchanger. This is liquid in, liquid in. This is liquid out, right? And we have steam supply, steam in, and here with the liquid out, we'll put a temperature sensor here, temperature indicator transmitter. They will send the signal to the temperature indicator controller, and this will control the steam inlet valve. This is temperature control valve. So here we will put a I2P converter, and it will go like this. So liquid out, liquid in, steam in, and here condensate out. So this is showing a feedback loop or closed loop. This is, so how we can make it open loop? Shabab with me?
Yeah, yes.
So how we can
Yes, yes.
make it open loop, Shabab? This is a closed loop. This one is the closed loop. So how we can make it open? What is the way to make it open? Yeah, Shabab, what we need to remove to make it open?
Put manual valve, teacher.
No, we will just remove the sensor. Remove the sensor. It will become open. Shabab with me? We remove the sensor, it become open. Now, remove the sensor mean what? What we are measuring? We are removing measurement, decision, or implementation. What we remove?
Measurement.
Measurement. Very good, mashallah. So we remove the measurement, now it become open loop. So if the measurement is there, if the measurement temperature indicator transmitter is there, then it is closed loop. Right, Shabab? If the transmitter, we remove the transmitter, it is open loop. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Now, if the temperature indicator transmitter is there, it is closed loop, closed. If we remove the transmitter, it is open. Now it is no more closed, now it is open. Shabab with me?
Repeat, teacher.
Yes, teacher, yes.
When we have the transmitter, then it is closed loop. This is correct. When we remove the transmitter, it is
It's
become
become
open loop.
open. Okay.
Right, Shabab? Okay. Now, is it really practical to remove the sensor all the time on the plant?
Nope, I don't think so.
No, it is not practical. Even it is not practical at home. So what we have? Then we have in the controller, we have a selection, auto and manual. What selection we have, Shabab?
Auto manual.
Manual. So when we say auto, it means it is closed loop. When we say auto, it means it is closed loop, right?
Aye.
And when we say manual, it means open loop. Shabab with me?
Yes.
When we say auto, it is closed loop.
Closed
When we
loop.
say manual, it is open loop. Right, Shabab?
Aye.
Shabab with me? See now our notes, this is like right now it is closed loop. The heat exchanger is there, temperature indicator transmitter is there, it is sending signal PV to temperature indicator controller. Output of the controller through I2P converter coming to this valve, and this valve is controlling the steam. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Teacher?
And if we wanna make it open loop, we will remove this part or we will put the controller on manual. So it will become open loop. Right,
Teacher?
Shabab? Yes.
Repeat
Necessary.
the point.
Yeah, I can repeat. See here, Shabab. Everybody here, liquid in, right, to the heat exchanger. Then we have this temperature indicator transmitter. Sensor is here. It is sending PV to the controller, temperature indicator controller. Set point is coming. Output of the controller is going through I2B converter to this valve, temperature control valve, right? So this is feedback loop or automatic loop, right, Shabab?
This is automatic
Shabab with
loop,
me?
right?
Yes, automatic loop or closed loop. Now, if we want to make it manual, we remove this temperature indicator transmitter, it will become manual. Or we put the controller, this controller on manual. It will become open loop. Shabab with me? Open loop mean what? Manual. Right, Shabab?
Right.
Open loop mean what? Manual. Or if we make the controller manual, it becomes open loop. Right, Shabab?
Okay.
Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes,
Manual
teacher.
means open.
Okay. Now advantages and disadvantages of closed loop system. What are the advantages, Shabab?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, please.
If there is a sensor in the system is already closed loop, teacher.
Yes, if the sensor is working, sensor is there, it is closed loop. If we remove the sensor, it is open loop. Right?
Okay, I can. Okay.
Any other
Thank
brother has question? Any other brother has question? Yes, Shabab. Any other brother has question? That's good. Okay, Shabab. Now, what are the advantages? Advantages and disadvantages of closed loop system. What are the advantages? Yes, Shabab.
The accuracy is more than open loop.
Yes, very good. Very good. Any other?
External disturbance or potential change can affect the control variable.
Yeah, because it's closed. Nothing
Yes.
effective.
So what are the advantages? No external disturbance or the internal changes can affect the controlled variable because it will bring the PV near to set point as much as possible, right? Accuracy is very high as compared to open loop. What are the disadvantages? What are the disadvantages, Shabab? Because of the addition of feedback element, that is sensor, and corrective mechanism, it is more complex. More complex mean what? It has more
Difficult.
equipment, so it is more complex. Right, Shabab? It is more complex mean what? It is more expensive. Right, Shabab? So it has
Okay.
more equipment, it is complex. And obviously, if it has more equipment, it will expensive. It will be more expensive as compared to open loop. And what is the second disadvantage? Sometimes it can be unstable. It can be unstable sometimes. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No,
What
clear,
does
teacher.
it mean by unstable?
Unstable mean now it should bring PV near to set point as much as possible. But sometimes if it is like the requirements are not there, it can become unstable. It can start oscillating. It is not bringing PV near to set point. It start oscillating. So then we have to tune it. So we tune it and we get it back. We fix it. So it can get unstable because of the feedback. Yeah, yes, Shabab.
I
Yes.
confusion for unstable. Why unstable, teacher? I have a sensor will be stable, teacher. Why unstable?
No, it is normally it is stable, no doubt. But the open loop system does not have any sensor, right? So it never gonna become unstable. It is always stable. Because of the sensor, it is closed loop. Now, it can be unstable sometimes when the requirements are not so. For example, we need the tuning. So we will tune it, then it will become stable again, right?
Okay.
Imagine you have feel it so many times. At sometimes the air condition at home, it is not controlling the temperature, right? Can be a lot of factors. So what we do, we off it, and again we clean the filter, we clean the sensor, then it start controlling the temperature again. So in open loop system, you don't have any sensor. So it is not possible that it is going to become unstable. But the closed loop system, because of sensor, because of other factors, it can become unstable. But again, we have a solution for that to bring it back to the stability, right?
Teacher, can I say outside factor?
Yeah, outside factors can be there, inside factors can be there. Both factors can be there, and
Okay, no, I know.
outside also can be there. Both are possible. Any brother has any questions, Shabab? Okay, Shabab, move to next. See, this is like a block diagram we already discussed. The array detector is there, controller is there, control element is there, final control element, the process is there, measurement is there. So this is closed loop, right? Feedback loop, closed loop system. How we can make
Yes.
it open loop? Yes, Shabab, how we make it open loop?
Open the loop
Move
of
the
measurement.
Remove the measurement.
Take out.
Very good.
Take out.
Remove the measurement, it will become open loop. So
Yeah.
we will remove the measurement and make it open loop. Now see here. Here what we did, we remove the measurement. This is the temperature indicator transmitter. We remove the connection with the controller. Shabab with me?
Yes.
Yes.
So here the temperature indicator transmitter is there, but there is no connection. There is no connection between transmitter and the controller, right? Is there any
Yes.
connection between them?
No.
No connection. So it becomes open loop. Right, Shabab? It becomes
Open
open
loop.
loop. Okay, what are the advantages of the open loop, Shabab?
Very simple.
Relatively simple, because it does not have sensor, it does not have the transmitter. So obviously it is simple, right? And the other thing, it is always stable, inherently stable. So there is no chance it's going to become unstable. Never ever. It cannot be unstable. Right, Shabab? What are the disadvantages? External or internal changes affects its operation because it does not have any feedback. So the controller does not know right now what is process variable. Right? Shabab with me?
Yes.
Teacher.
The controller cannot know because there is no sensor. The controller cannot know what is the process variable right now. So it can get affected with the internal or external effect. Not accurate as there is no corrective action. There is no corrective action here. There is no sensor. So sensor, there is no sensor means there is no PV. So there is no PV. So the accurate corrective action is not possible. So there is no corrective action. So whatever is going, it is going one way. So there is no feedback. Right. So these are the disadvantages. So can it bring PV near to set point, Shabab? Is it possible that the open loop system can bring the PV near to set point? Shabab with me?
Yes, teacher.
Is it possible that the open loop system, the manual system, can bring the PV near to set point? Not possible. It is not possible. Very good. This is Brother Ali Ahmad Al Awad. He is replying. No, very good. So, why we prefer the closed loop system, Shabab?
Because it's
Why we prefer closed loop system, automatic system? Why we prefer it?
To be close to set point.
Because it can bring PV near to set point. That's what we want. We always want PV near to set point as much as possible. That just automatic control or closed loop control can bring. Right, Shabab? Okay, Shabab. Now we are going towards the elements of the process control. Elements
Teacher,
of,
before
yes.
teacher, can you give me example for our live teacher for open loop system?
Sorry, which example you want?
In our life, for our home, in our car, anything.
For the closed loop or open loop?
Open loop, open.
Open loop, there are a lot of examples. For example, the people put the door switch. So somebody come to their,
Yeah.
some guest come to their home. He ring the bell and they open the door from inside. You guys have seen it?
Yes, teacher.
So now
Yes,
normally
yes,
it is
yes.
open loop. So they push the switch, but they don't know the door is open or not, right?
Yeah.
So how we can make it closed loop?
Like close loop, teacher.
Yeah, how we can make it closed loop?
But the sensor when the
Open.
body, when anybody come, the door open is already.
You can put the sensor or you can put a camera there at the door, so you can see the door is getting
Yes,
open or
camera.
not.
Yeah, camera and the sensor.
Yeah, give me another example for the open loop.
Overlook. The switch of my car, teacher.
Sorry?
The switch of my car when I come my car, I put the button when the switch is in my car, teacher. The keys,
Which one?
the remote control.
You can give the best example of open loop control. For example, you are seeing the level of the gas in your car, right?
Yeah.
Are you controlling it?
Yeah. I go to the station.
So you are not controlling it. So it is just display, right? So nobody is controlling it, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
like this, lot of examples are there.
Okay.
So let's see the elements of the process control. How many elements are there, Shabab? How many elements are there?
three.
Elements
Six,
of the
teacher.
process control. How many are
Six,
there?
teacher.
Six.
6. Very good.
Six.
Very good. 6 elements are there. Which one is the first? Control variable.
Variable.
Control variable. What is control variable, Shabab? For
We
example,
want.
in our classroom, we are controlling the temperature, right?
Yes.
Right, Shabab?
Yes.
Yes,
So
PV.
temperature is the controlled variable. So what we are controlling? We are controlling temperature. So temperature is the controlled variable. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
We are.
Okay. That's good. So what is set point? Number 2, set point. What is set point, Shabab?
The temperature you want.
For example, the temperature we want, desired value. What is the set point when you drive your car for the speed? What is the set point? 120 kilometer per hour, right? When we drive on the road, the set point is 120 kilometer per hour. What is set point in the room for the temperature? 25 degrees centigrade. Right, Shabab? What is the temperature? Set point for the temperature, Shabab, in the room? Shabab? What is the set point for the temperature in the room?
25 Celsius.
25 degrees centigrade. Very
25,
good.
25 Celsius.
Yes. So next thing is the measured variable. What we measure? Yes, Shabab, when we are controlling the temperature in the room, what we are measuring?
Temperature.
Temperature. Very good. When we control the speed of the car, what we are measuring?
The speed.
And what we are controlling? When we push the accelerator, what we control?
The gas.
Gas. Very good.
benzene.
Very good. One brother answered gas. So when we push the accelerator, we control the benzene, gas, right? And we measure the speed. So it is not necessary. Shabab, it is not necessary all the time that the measured variable and controlled variable, they are equal. It is not necessary. Sometimes they can be different. Shabab, with me?
Yes, yes.
What is the difference, teacher, between them?
There is again the control. For example, in the car, what we are controlling? We are controlling benzene, right? So the controlled variable is benzene. What we are measuring in the car, what we measure? We measure the speed of the car, right? So what does it mean? The measured variable is the speed and the controlled variable is flow of benzene. Right, Shabab? There is another example here. If you see here, in the control of liquid level tank, so the liquid level tank can be made by measuring the pressure at the bottom of the tank. So the measured variable is what? Pressure. Right, Shabab? If the pressure is more, level is more. If the pressure is less, level is less. Remember, Shabab, instrumentation measurement 1?
Yes.
So if the pressure is less, level is less. If the pressure is more, level is more. Like this. So the bottom line, normally the controlled variable and the made variable, they are same, but not necessary. Number 4, Shabab, error. What is the error? Error is what, Shabab? Error is PV minus SP or SP minus PV. What is error, Shabab?
SP minus PV.
Error is SP minus PV if it is reverse action, right, Shabab? Or PV minus SP if it is direct action. Now, what is reverse action? What is direct action? That we will discuss soon in detail. So error is equal to SP minus PV if it is reverse action, PV minus SP if it is direct action. So what is reverse? What is direct? Then inshallah we will discuss soon in chapter 3 in detail. But right now you should know the error is the difference of PV and SP, like this.
Teacher, can I say difference between theory value
Sorry?
and practical value?
Set point minus
The
PV,
difference
process
between-
variable and set point. That is what the error.
Okay.
Okay, Shabab, any question up to here? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? Okay, that's good. That's good, mashallah. That's good. Okay, Shabab, disturbance. What is disturbance? What is disturbance, Shabab? Disturbance is any internal or external influence to the process which affects the control variable is called a disturbance. Yes, Shabab, any example of a disturbance, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any example for the disturbance? Shabab with me? Disturbance. Now let me explain what is this. Some brothers are asking temperature of the sun. Yes, very good. Temperature of the sun is disturbance. How we explain it? How we explain the temperature of the sun is a disturbance, Shabab? Now, for example, this is our heat exchanger. This is our heat exchanger. So it is controlling a set point is 50 degrees centigrade, and we need to bring the set point 50 degrees centigrade. So if we put it in Jubail, what is the right now temperature in Jubail, for example? Yashiba, what is the temperature in Jubail? 42 degrees centigrade, for example. 40 in Jubail, it is 42. So this heat exchanger is sitting outside, and it needs to bring from 42 degrees centigrade 50 degrees centigrade, right? Same heat exchanger you take to Abaha. So what is the temperature in Abaha? Yes, Abaha. 13 degrees centigrade. One brother told 13 degrees centigrade. So this same heat exchanger, if we put it in Abaha, it will bring 13 to 50. So where he has to work more? Where it will be working more? In Jubail or Abaha?
Abaha.
Abaha. So this heat exchanger will be happy in Jubail or Abaha?
Jubail, teacher.
Jubail. Because in Jubail there is no work for him. It is just doing 8 degrees centigrade, bringing up. So in Jubail it is very happy. In Abaha it has to bring from 13 to 50, like 47, like 37 degrees centigrade more. So in Abaha there is a big disturbance. So it will not be happy. In Jubail it is very easy for it to do the set point, to bring the set point. So this is one type of the you can say disturbance from the outside. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No,
Yes,
teacher.
Shabab, any question up to here? Please ask. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? Oh, okay, that's good, that's good. Brothers are replying, that's good. The next, the sixth element is manipulated variable or calculated variable. It is what? It is the output of the controller. So manipulated is a technical word for the calculations. So it is the output of the controller. So what the controller receive? Controller receive process variable, controller receive set point, and depending upon the error and the mathematical instructions, it gave us output. The output will go to the funnel control element, and the funnel control element will control the PV. Right, Shabab? So this thing is known as manipulated variable, calculated variable. That is the output of the controller. Any question up to here, Shabab? So how many are the elements of the process control?
6, teacher.
6 elements above, right? Number 1, control variable. Number 2, set point. Number 3, measured variable. Number 4, error. And number 5, disturbance. Number 6, manipulated variable. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please.
Teacher, this is the valve of the report.
Sorry?
Is that the type of valve?
Still,
you
we
asked
did not
it?
start the type of valves. I am asking you, have any question, whatever we discussed before?
No.
No?
Teacher,
Okay.
I have a small question, teacher.
Yeah, please. Please ask.
What's the differences between set point and measure variable?
Sorry. Can you please tell me again? Please.
What's the differences between set point and measure variable?
Disturbance and
Measure variable.
measured variable, you are measuring with the sensor. Something you are measuring with the sensor.
Yes.
You got my point?
Again, teacher.
The measured variable, something you measure with the sensor, that is PV. PV, process variable, measured variable. Disturbance, something, it is just coming by nature, like the sun. The temperature from the sun, that is disturbance. We are not measuring it, but it affects us. You got my point?
Yes, I get.
Measured variable, that's the thing we are measuring to control something. Disturbance, it is coming without, we don't want it. The sun, we don't want, but it is affecting. We give the example of the heat exchanger, Still the example is there. See here,
Yes,
the example is still there.
Yes,
Is it
See, the
error?
example is still there. Sorry? The example is still there, Shabab. So we need this heat exchanger need to work at 50 degrees centigrade. Its set point is 50 degrees centigrade, right? In Jubail, right now temperature is 42. So this is already have a big, you can say, a small hard work. And in Abaha, it will need to work more. So here you can say this is the, like in Jubail, the disturbance is helping. In Abaha, it is not helping. It has to work more hard. Is there another way of disturbance, Shabab? Is there any other ways of disturbance? Yes, Shabab.
Wind.
Yeah, again.
Wind.
There are any type of disturbance. For example, we are sitting in a air conditioned room. The room is very cold, but that disturbance, the heat, the coldness is going through the walls outside, or heat is coming from outside inside. So it is also one type of disturbance through the wall. The heat exchanger exchanging through the wall of the room. This is also one type of disturbance. So we will discuss inshallah in detail. We have a lot of example for that. Any question up to here, Shabab?
Thank you, teacher. Everything is clear.
You are welcome, inshallah. So now we are starting wall. Right, Shabab? What is wall, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Wall. Yes, Shabab. What is wall?
Control element. Final control element.
No doubt, you are correct. Final control element, wall. So what is its function?
To control the liquid, teacher.
It makes or breaks the flow of liquid. What it do? It makes or breaks the flow of liquid. Right, Shabab? So wall has generally two parts. In general, it has two parts. In general, it has how many parts, Shabab? Two parts. What is this, Shabab? This valve body. Valve body, very good.
Activator.
And above here, we have actuator. Here we have actuator. Right, Shabab? So this is valve body. This is actuator. This is what, Shabab? Valve body. This is actuator. Right, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you.
Now we will start with 4 types of valves. We will start with 4 types of valves. If we have actuator like this, what we say? What is this type of valve, Shabab?
Manual.
Manual valve. Very good. Very good. Manual valve. If we put here actuator like this, like M, Shabab, please give me 2 minutes. I am just attending a call and coming back. Please give me 2 minutes.
Okay.
Sorry, brother. Sorry, brothers, I came back. So if we put here M, so what type of valve is this?
Motorized.
Motorized.
Motor.
Very good. Motorized valve. If we put here this type of actuator, Shabab, what is this type of actuator? What is this type of actuator, Shabab?
Diaphragm.
Diaphragm. Very good. Diaphragm, or generally we say control valve. Control valve. And if we put this one S here, then it is what type, Shabab?
Solenoid.
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 Very good. Solenoid valve. So we will start with these 4 type of valves, and inshallah we will go further. Okay, Shabab. How many types of valve in general? In general, how many types of valves we have? Yes, Shabab. In general, how many types of valves we have? 2 types. Very good. Lot of brothers saying 2 types. Which one? Normally open, normally close. Right, Shabab? Normally open and normally close. So what is normally open, normally close, Shabab? How would you define them? Yes, Shabab, how we define normally open, normally close? Shabab with me?
Normally closed, always closed. When I push button, it will be cutting off.
Some brother is writing the definition, very good definition he wrote.
It is fully
Write it
open.
again.
That means normally open.
The sound is clear.
Without any signal, without any signal,
Yes, and
it is fully open it implies normally open. Without any signal, if it is fully open, what does it mean? Normally open. And if it is fully closed, what does it mean? Normally closed. Right, Shabab? Okay. Now, how we can say the same thing graphically? Can we say the same thing graphically? Yes, we can say the same thing graphically. How we can say it? Signal goes from where to where, Shabab? This is our signal, output of the controller signal.
0 to 100.
0 to 100, very good, mashallah. Signals goes from 0 to 100, and this is normally open and this is normally closed. So without any signal, with 0% signal, without any signal, how much normally open?
100 open, teacher.
Let me bring a little, it is not coming in the screen. Let me just bring it in the screen. No, it came, yes, no, it came. So this is signal M 0 to 100%. This is normally open, this is normally closed. Okay, Shabab. At no signal, 0 signal, normally open mean what? 100% open. Very good, Shabab. And 0% open. Right, Shabab?
Yes, teacher.
With 0 signal, with no signal, how much normally close is closed? 100%?
100%.
Sorry?
100% closed.
Very good. 100% closed. 100% closed. And with the full signal, 0% closed.
0, 100 open.
Normally closed, at no signal, 100% closed. Okay, Shabab. Something 100% open, how much closed?
0 closed.
Very good, 0% closed. Something 0% open, how much closed?
100% closed.
Very good, 100% closed. Something 100% closed, no signal, normally closed. How much open?
0% open.
Very good, 0% open. And here, 100% open. So this is the definition, graphical definition of normally closed and normally open. Shabab with me? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here? That's good. The brother is writing. Okay, now come back to the valves. Because actually we started with the valves. It just came in the way. Okay, Shabab. Come here back. Now this valve, normally open or normally closed, it can go from 0 to 100%, 0 to 100%, or 100% to 0%. This valve. Right, Shabab? Same this valve. It can go 0 to 100%, 100 to 0%. Same this valve. It can go 0 to 100%, 100 to 0%. So this is 0 to 100% or 100 to 0%. Same here. 0 to 100% and 100 to 0%. What about this valve? Solenoid valve. Yes, Shabab. What about the solenoid valve? Very good. Muhammad Saleh Zahri. Very good. He answered very good. Either 0% or 100%. Nothing in the middle. Either 100% or 0%. Either fully closed or fully open. Fully open or fully closed. These valve can be somewhere in the middle. For example, it is 7.7%, 90%, for example. This valve, no, either 0% or 100%. 100% or 0%. Nothing is in the middle. Shabab with me? Shabab with me? That's good. That's good. Ali Hamad is answering, lot of brothers are answering, mashallah, Faris, Saeed, mashallah, very good. Okay, Shabab. This valve need which signal? This valve need which signal? Yes, Shabab. This valve need which signal? Manual valve need which signal?
Signal. Manual signal.
Electric.
No signal, it's by hand. Manual. With the hand we're gonna operate it. Right? This valve need which signal? Motorized valve.
Electrical signal.
Electrical signal. Right, Shabab?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
valve need which signal?
Pneumatic.
Pneumatic. Very good. Very good. Very good. This valve need which signal?
Electric.
Electrical. Very nice. Very good, Shabab. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask. If you have any question up to here, please ask, Shabab. So this is the same chart, Shabab. Is it telling everything? If we see in our book, this chart is telling everything else. The same we explain on the board. Right, Shabab? This is the diagram we draw for the normally open, normally closed on the board. So it is also there for your reference. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab?
No, thank you, teacher.
Okay, Shabab. Now see here, Shabab. Is this table is correct? Control signal? Is it this correct table? This is electrical signal?
No, no.
No, this is
Not
opposite.
correct. Opposite,
so please,
yes.
It is opposite. So please change it. See here. Electrical signal. Electrical signal is like this.
العلامة
20 milliampere. Right, Shabab? And pneumatic signal. Like this. Pneumatic. 3 to 15 psi or 0.221 bar. Normally psi is we are using. So this is pneumatic signal. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No question.
Thank you.
Then we have the solid example, Shabab. Everybody with me, Shabab?
Yes, with you.
Yes, teacher, yes.
So what is this example, Shabab? Somebody gonna explain to us?
It's a converter, teacher.
It is converter. It is which type of converter, Shabab?
PI converter.
Pneumatic to
Right.
Very good. It is pneumatic to current converter.
Current.
Very good, Shabab. So this is our converter, P to I converter. It is taking electrical signal A pneumatic signal, actually, it is taking pneumatic signal and it is giving electrical signal. Right, Shabab? This is pneumatic signal. This is electrical signal. Okay. Right now, the pneumatic signal is 7 psi. We need to find the electrical signal here. X. We need to find X. Right now, signal is how much? 7 psi, Shabab. We need to find the X. So, what is our procedure? We draw the two lines. Remember, Shabab? 3 to 15 psi, 4 to 20 milliampere. How much psi we have? 7 psi we have, and we need to find the milliampere. Shabab, find it. Show me. Get the first. Yes, Shabab. Somebody is trying. Somebody trying, Shabab? Yes, brothers. With me?
Yes, teacher. I will try.
With you,
Yeah, please
teacher.
try.
8
Solve it.
milliampere,
Show me.
teacher.
Get the first. And you
8
guys know the
milliampere.
first is very heavy bonus marks. Inshallah.
8 milliampere.
Huh?
8
Show me
milliampere.
the solution. Not like this. Brother, show me the solution. On your camera, show me your solution.
I don't have a solution. I don't have steps.
No, it is not this way. You need to show the complete steps. Any other brother is trying, Shabab?
I will work the way in the shop.
Yes, Shabab. Some brother is trying.
Yes, I'm trying.
That's good. That's good. Abdullah, brother Abdullah Al-Mutari is saying he's trying, mashallah. Okay, that's good. Yes, Shabab. Who needs first?
Teacher, I finish.
That's good. Please show me.
1 minute. You can see, teacher.
No, not yet.
Not yet. There is a problem in camera. Now you see.
Yes. 6.66 milliampere.
I think
Show
this is my
move
answer.
a little. Move little. Your page move. Move towards the camera. Let me see the procedure. You are writing x minus 4 over 20 minus 4 and 7 minus 3, 15 minus 3. So you are saying 7 minus 3 multiplied by 20 minus 4. 6.66. Your procedure is correct. But I don't know your answer is correct or not. What is your ID, brother? Tell me your ID.
The last digit, last 3 digit,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, please.
15391 90 158.
No, last three
The
digits.
last
Just
3
tell me
digits.
last three digits.
158. Hussein.
158. Okay. Okay,
Hussein.
inshallah.
Teacher.
That's good. Brother Ali
I
is
get the
also
answer.
showing.
It is minus 24. Teacher.
Yes.
It is minus 24. The answer.
Answer?
Yes.
No, it cannot
X.
be minus. Or it can be minus.
Is it 9.33?
Let me solve it, Shabab. Let me solve it. See here, Shabab. We need to find what? X. Right? So x minus, from where we are starting? 4. So x minus 4. Right? X minus 4 over, what is maximum? 20. 20 minus 4. 20 minus 4. Shabab with me? Okay, what is in front of x? 7. 7 psi. What is in front of this 4? 3. Shabab with me? What is in front of 20? 15. What is in front of 4? 3. Yes, Shabab, how much is this? 7 minus 3, how much? 4. 15 minus 3, 12. How much is this? X minus 4 over 16 is equal to 4 by 12. Right, Shabab? So this 16 we can take the other side. So we remove from here, we take it here like this. So it is 16 by 3. How much 16 by 3? How much? Very good. This brother is showing the solution. 9.33. Lot of brother, they are saying 9.33. So how much is this, Shabab?
اه
we
انا
cancel it?
كاس تمام.
5.3 approximately, 5.33. X minus 4. So x is equal to 5.33 plus 4, how much? 9.33. What is the unit? Milliampere. So 9.33 milliampere. Very good, brothers. Very good. Lot of brothers, mashallah, they are showing. Very good. You are making my blood more circulate. Circulation is heavy, mashallah. I am very happy that the brothers are doing it very good. Any question up to here, Shabab? Very nice. Lot of brothers, they showed me the result and it is very good, very impressive. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab, any question up to here?
No, clear, thank you.
That's good. Can we find the percentage of this, Shabab? Can we find percentage for the 7 psi? Yes. We can make another line here, 0 to 100%, and say we need to find the y. Right, Shabab?
58 teacher. The
How much?
58.
That's good. If you are finding it, that's good. Let us see the procedure. So now we need to find the y, right? So y minus 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to, what is in front of y? 7. 7 minus 0 over, what is in front of 100? 15. 15 minus 0. Right, Shabab?
Teacher, why it is 0, teacher? I think it is 3.
Sorry?
The minimum.
Sorry,
The
Shabab,
minimum
what you
is
said?
5.
Yes, brother, what you said?
Teacher, the minimum of the pressure, teacher. I think it is 3, not 0.
No, it is 3. I know it is 3. But we can start, we can take any, this is if you are taking the standard signal, no problem. You can take standard signal. If we are not taking the standard signal, we can take any given signal. You got my point? This is the given signal. You want to make it 3? Okay, we can make it 3, no problem. But the given signal can be anything. You got my point?
Yes, teacher, clear now.
The given signal can be anything. We're going to solve another problem with given signal opposite. You get my point? So if you want to keep here 3, no problem. Keep here 3. Keep here 3, no problem. Right?
Teacher, it is 33.31.
3.31? 33.33 can be. Some brothers
Yes,
are showing
33.
33.33, but 33 cannot possible, you know. So how much is this, Shabab? Y over 100 is equal to how much? 4 over 12. Right, Shabab? So 1 by 3. So y is equal to 100 by 3. That is 33.33%. Shabab with me? Good,
Yes,
good.
yes.
Abdullah Ahmad Turki is showing the answer. Ali Ahmed is showing the answer. A lot of brothers are showing the answer, mashallah. Any question up to here, Shabab? Very good, very good. Once again, Shabab, if no signal is given, then we will take the standard signal. Right, Shabab? If standard signal, no signal is given, we take the standard signal. If some signal is given, we have to take that. Then we cannot say our own signal. Shabab with me? Then we cannot say our own signal. For example, if it is normally open, it can be like this. If it is opposite, then what will happen? We say 0 is here, 0 is here, and 100 is there. Now what is y? Yes, Shabab. Now how much is y? If we make it opposite, how much percentage now?
Will be in minus.
No, it cannot be minus. It is between 100 and 0. How it can be minus? Yes, Shabab. No, how much? No, not same. Some brother is saying 67. Yes, 66.67. Very good. Very good. Okay, now see the solution. How we solve it, Shabab? We need to find this y, right? Y minus 100. Like this. Over 0 minus 100. Right, Shabab? Is equal to what is in front of y? 7. 7 minus 3 over 15 minus 3.
Got the
Right,
face.
Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes, yes.
Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers saying yes. Okay, now we solve it. So y minus 100 over minus 100 is equal to how much? How much is this? 4 over 12. Right? Shabab with me? Okay, 4 over 12 mean what? 1 by 3. So it is minus 100 over 3. So we remove this 100 from here and take the other side. 100 over 3, how much, Bob? Y minus 100 is equal to, how much is this? 33.3. Is that correct? 33.33, right? Right, Subha? So y is equal to 100. This will go there, right, Shabab? And this is because of this minus, it is minus. So 100, this 100, move there, 100 minus 33.33. How much, Shabab? 100 minus 33.33. How much about?
66.67.
66.66%. Any question up to here, Shabab?
No, thank you.
So, one thing, if the standard signal is given, take the standard signal. If the standard signal is not given, then whichever signal is given, take that one. So if we see in our examples, we have a lot of examples like that. There the standard signal is not given, then some other signal is given, we take that. If no signal is given, then we take the standard signal. Right, Shabab? Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab, any question up to here?
It's clear, teacher.
Yeah, Shabab, you guys remember this tank? Rooftop tank? Shabab, remember this tank? That's good. The brother are saying yes. So it is calibrated like 30 millimeter and 130 millimeter. So at 30 millimeter it has 4 milliampere, and at 130 millimeter it has 20 milliampere. Right, Shabab? So we need to find the value at 100 millimeter. How much is the current? We need to find that. So same way, we will draw two-line method. Two lines here. So this is 30 millimeter, 130 millimeter. In front of 30 millimeter, how much milliampere? 4 milliampere. And in front of 130 millimeter, 20 milliampere. And right now, we are at 100 millimeter. How much X? And what is the percentage? 0 to 100%. How much is the percentage Y? Find X and Y, Shabab. Get the first. Find X and Y both. Get the first. Shabab with me? Shabab with me?
Yes, with you, teacher.
That's good. Yes, Shabab. Give me the complete solution. Get the first. Any brother trying? $15.2. Lot of brothers, they are sending the answer 15.2. They are not writing their units. Without units, not good. Put the units. Now see here, X, we need to find the X. So X minus 4 over 20 minus 4 is equal to what is in front of X? 100. 100 minus 30 over 130 minus 30. Right, Shabab? Is it correct? Is it correct up to here, Shabab? Shabab with me?
Yes,
Yes.
correct, teacher. Correct.
That's good. So it is how much? 70 over 100. Right, Shabab? Or 7 by 10. So x minus 4 is equal to 7 into, how much is this? 16. So this 16 we will take there and remove from here. This is 16, Shabab. So it will be 11.2. Is it correct, Shabab? So x is how much? 11.2 plus 4 how much? 15.2 milliampere. Is it correct, Shabab? Up to here it is correct?
Yes.
Anybody has different answer? That's good. So everybody has the same answer. Okay, now we're gonna put for the y. How much percentage is this? Y minus, can we take this value to find the y, or we should take this value, the given one? Which one is better, Shabab? We have this value.
Both are correct.
Which one is better to take, the given one or this found one?
Second value.
First one. Lot of brothers are saying first one. Yeah, this one is better. Maybe this is wrong. So if you take this value, the second point also wrong. So always take the given value. Very good. Lot of brothers they are saying given. Very good. So y minus how much above? 0 over 100 minus 0 is equal to what is in front of y? 100 minus 30 over 130 minus 30. Same this one. That will be equal to 7 by 10. Right, Shabab? So y over 100 is equal to 7 by 10. This 0 will cancel with this one. Y is equal to 70%. Is this answer, Shabab? Everybody get this answer? That's good. A lot of brothers they are showing me 70%. Very good, brother. Very good. Very good. Very good, mashallah. So this is our answer, Shabab. Any question up to here, Shabab? Any question up to
It's
here?
clear, teacher.
And once again, Shabab, if no standard signal, no reference is given, always take standard signal. If some reference is given, some signal is given, then take that one. So the last thing for the today, if we make it opposite, if we make here 100 and we make here 0, now how it will work, Shabab? Now what would be the y?
30.
30%, very good. So 70 we already found, subtract it, it will be 30. Very good, Shabab, very good.
It will be the
Very nice. Any question up to here, Shabab? Please ask me. Yes, Shabab, any question up to here, please ask. Yes, Shabab, please ask the question. Shabab with me? Yes, brothers, you are with me?
Yes,
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 yes.
sir.
Yes, teacher.
That's
with you.
good. So, do you guys have any question? Some
For
brother
me,
has
it's
any
clear,
question?
teacher.
Okay, Shabab. Inshallah, coming week we will continue from here. we will solve more problems. All the solved examples we will solve, right? And then we will start the next chapter, inshallah. So if any brother has any question, you can send me the mail, right? You can send me the mail. You can ask me in the lab. We will keep the distance, and you can ask me any question, no problem. So if you have any question, you can send me the mail. We can do the meeting like this on Blackboard or on Zoom. So whichever way you like. Right, Shabab? With me?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, Shabab. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you. Thank you, Brother Ali. Thank you, Brother Ahmad. A lot of brothers, they are sending the message for the thank you.
Thank you,
So all the
brother.
brothers have a nice weekend, inshallah. And see you guys, inshallah, in the labs and coming week in the theory class like this, inshallah. Thank you very much, Brother Ali. Thank you very much, Brother Ali. Thank you very much, Brother Muhammad. Again, Brother Hussain, Brother Ali, thank you very much. Brother Abdullah Mutari, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Shabab. I put on record, some brother asking, it is record, I put on record, but again, it is not in my hand. If it is recorded, I will put it on the YouTube, inshallah. Right, Shabab? Okay, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.